Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today inaugurated the Anti-Narcotics Task Force Police Station in Shillong. The event was attended by Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home, Preston Tinsong, Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdo, Health Minister Dr. Ampreen Lingdo and DGP Ida Shisha Nongrang. In his address, Chief Minister Sangma emphasized the significance of the initiative, stating that while the police station may appear small, its impact on tackling the drug menace will be substantial. He further elaborated that the Anti-Narcotics Task Force Police Station will act as the central hub for monitoring and coordination.
The kind of impact in society, especially the youth of our state, is having because of drugs and the usage of drugs is something that is very, very damaging for the society and especially the youth. And therefore, in the last many years, Government of Meghalaya at different levels through different departments has taken a number of steps to ensure that we are able to look at all aspects from the supply to the distribution to the health concerns to the social aspect to rehabilitation and overall counseling for drug addicts also.
Deputy Chief Minister Preston